Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Dear students, in our maths period, today we have to do the question number 2 of exercise number 2.2, that is find a quadratic polynomial each with the given numbers as the sum and product of its zeros respectively. Sum is 1 divided by 4 and product is minus 1. Therefore, let the quadratic polynomial be ax square plus bx plus c and alpha and its zeros be alpha and beta. Therefore, sum of its roots is 1 divided by 4, it is given. We will write here alpha plus beta, that is sum of the roots, is equal to 1 divided by 4, it is given. But we know that sum of the roots is equal to minus b divided by a is equal to 1 divided by 4. That is, a is equal to 4 and b is equal to minus 1. ये माइनस जो है ये इस साइड में जाएगा इस 1 के साथ minus 1. तो therefore product of the roots, therefore ऐसे मत लिखो, ऐसे लिखो alpha beta, it means product of the roots. Alpha into beta, that is product of the roots, is equal to c divided by a. We know c divided by a. नहीं, product of the roots यहाँ given है, पहले given देखिए, that is minus 1 minus product of the roots is equal to minus 1. But we know that product of the roots is equal to c divided by a is equal to minus 1. And we know that c divided by a is equal to 4, is equal to 4 is equal to minus 1. That is equal to c, that is c is equal to 4 into minus 1, that is minus 4. Therefore, a is equal to 4, b is equal to minus 1 and c is equal to minus 4. Therefore, the quadratic polynomial is ax square. We have written it as in our question, ax square plus bx plus c is equal to a जो है is equal to 4x square plus b जो है it is minus 1 into x plus c जो है it is minus 4 is equal to 4x square minus plus is minus x into 1x minus 4, minus plus is minus. This will be the quadratic polynomial. तो नेक्स्ट पार्ट जो इस क्वेश्चन का है, सेकेंड पार्ट जो इसका है, दैट इज स्क्वायर रूट ऑफ 2 comma 1 divided by 3. So this is the second part of this question, and let the quadratic polynomial be ax square plus bx, ये मानते हैं हम bx plus c and its zeros be अल्फा एंड, ये हमने इसके जीरो रखे फिलहाल, अल्फा एंड बीटा. तो देखिए, therefore we know that sum of the root of sum of the zeros जो है, जो दिया हुआ है, that is alpha plus beta is equal to square root of 2, है ना. Therefore, but we know that sum of the roots is equal to minus b divided by a is equal to square root of 2. Square root of 2 divided by 1, that is the same case. Square root of 2 divided by 1 means square root of 2. Implies into a is equal to 1, b is equal to minus square root of 2. And therefore, product of the roots, alpha, beta, product of the roots is equal to, that is 1 divided by 3 given, but we know that product of the roots is equal to c divided by a is equal to 1 divided by 3, and c divided by a is equal to 1, is equal to 1 divided by 3, implies into 3 जो है 3 into c, that is c is equal, c divided by 1 is c, that is c is equal to 1 divided by 3. Therefore the quadratic polynomial is, तो देखिए यहां पर लिखेंगे हम ax स्क्वायर प्लस बी एक्स प्लस सी. लेकिन हम जानते हैं कि जीरोज जो होते हैं, जीरोज मीन्स व्हेन वी विल राइट द वैल्यू ऑफ ए बी एंड सी है, तो इसकी जो वैल्यू जो इसका है वो निकलना चाहिए क्या, वो जीरो के बराबर निकलना चाहिए. तो आप देखिए यहाँ पर ए जो है, ए किसके बराबर निकला है हमें, ए इज इक्वल टू 1, that is equal to 1, that is x square प्लस b जो है that is b minus square root of 2 into x प्लस c जो है that is 1 divided by 3 is equal to x square minus plus is minus square root of 2x plus 1 divided by 3. We will multiply these two by this 3 into x square, that is 3x square minus 3 into square root of 2x plus 1 3. जब यहाँ 0 होगा, ये 0 के बराबर होता है, that is 0. तो this is the polynomial, quadratic polynomial. तो इसी तरह से तीसरा पार्ट खुद करना.